Whoa! Byron got a Mudboss. Well, had a Mudboss. Oh yeah. That is beautiful, man. You got the orange blue. You care to show us your insides?
No, we're not going to show you the insides of it. It's not got a 4S in it. I'm just kidding. It's totally stock.
Totally stock.
Totally. We're even running nickel metal hydride.
Yeah, that's the only batteries we run.
Palladium. Yeah, nickel palladium.
Oh, okay. That's just stock. Nice. So it comes with a little BL2S system, run a little 2S lipo. So is what? It's built on a / two-wheel drive chassis, but like low CG.
Yep. They already have the racers that race these. You know, they go to competitions and stuff. But I just got it for a basher.
Yes, sir.
I pissed off a guy that races them yesterday. Pretty funny. He was like, "Why are you out there playing with it like that?" I'm like, "Because it's a flash."
That thing's crazy. Oh, 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 we got a little jump there. Oh, I got you.
Did the same thing as that.
Yep. Nice. Oh, oh, riding a wheelie. I think you could drive pretty good. Those tires are hooking up pretty well. I wouldn't think they would. Even for a low CG chassis, it's just wanting to stand up. And like you said, it's pretty quick.
I mean, for 2S?
Oh, you didn't even see those rocks? Off-roading's not too bad. Oh, that was sick. Nice. So is it a little top heavy with that big body?
I don't know. I mean, it seems to land on its feet usually.
Yeah.
I noticed that the body does get stuck up inside of it, and so it makes a horrible sound whenever it's going through grass.
That's what that noise is? Oh. Can it make it under the sign? If you need a lot for sale, go check out Coach Shipman. Oh yeah, easy. Now you gotta hit it going fast. Let's see how good a driver you are, Byron. Well, tall grass is its enemy. Okay, okay, okay. It sounds like a little mouse. Oh God! Hey, there we go.
Woo. Brett's playing with it now.
Whee! Okay, okay, okay. I mean, that seems pretty sturdy. Oh yeah. Definitely one of the better handling Traxxas cars I've ever played with.
I mean, it does pretty good.
Whee! Yeah. I actually really like it. It almost feels like it has a gyro in there. I know it doesn't.
Yeah, it's just a regular TQ radio.
I mean, I'm trying to get it to... Oh!
Oh.
I was trying to get it to flip, and it worked.
Wow.
Sorry, buddy.
Just totaled the new car. It's only been out for like, you know, not even a full day yet.
You already had dirt on it. I don't want to hear it.
Don't worry about what I've done to it already.
Seems like you already swamped this thing.
Yeah. Last night, whenever I got it over at Shaka, we were out testing it doing some stupid stuff with it, and it caught traction and flew into a puddle of water.
Oh yeah.
In a culvert.
All right, now versus a mailbox.
Okay.
You remember when we just got my e-Revo and you slammed in your mailbox about 2 minutes after unboxing it?
It was that mailbox, by the way.
Yes, it was.
That one.
Let's reenact it.
Okay.
Let's see. Yeah, BL2S is actually really fun.
I mean, in this car, it works. Wow.
Nimble navigator.
I mean, it's not a bad.
Oh.
The price is fantastic for it. I
How
think.
much is it?
$380.
Oh, that's not bad.
No.
These tires impress me because they're like. Here, they wouldn't look like they would be real grippy, but those tires don't look like they'd be real grippy, but they seem to work really well. Are they already heated up? Oh, not bad.
Here, let's do this. Oh, well, take yourself out, why don't you? Not on a date, but, you know. Wow, you just hit me. Okay.
All right, so Byron found a culvert that he wants to attempt with the Mudboss. Yes, there's like a little rat's nest right there. You can take it out when you go. Nice. Yeah, I think you did. I think you hit a rat in there. Whoa! You almost hit the other one. Yeah, you killed a rat's nest or something that was in there.
That's okay.
It doesn't need to live in there anyway. Yeah, those tires just throw up a lot of stuff.
Beautiful.
I think I see your idea here. Whee!
Doesn't climb like an X-Max.
Oh, nice. Oh my. Oh, God. That sounded like that hurt.
The body's all flopping around.
Oh, yeah, it is. Did it break a body mount or just pop off? Oh.
Well, okay, now it's time for carnage.
All right. It's just so quiet. I mean, it's got to be tough. It's a slash.
Yeah. It is LCG though. Had that weak point on that chassis.
Mm-hmm. So did it break it or just pop off?
Oh no, I just popped it off. I
Oh.
was just looking up front, making sure nothing did.
It's not bad at all then.
No.
But it's a clipless body, even though it's a big body, like a boat. I said we throw some paddle tires on that thing, skip it across some water. Whee! Soldering that better.
Only thing that I don't like is this right here. Let me show you.
Yeah, what do you not like?
Watch the thought.
Okay, that's weird.
Has a stall.
Is that something you can? Well, no, you can't even tune it with that remote. That's weird.
Yep.
It's doing really well in the grass for a two-wheel drive car. Oh, that was a good one. Oh. Yeah, this thing is pretty quick. I think it would smoke my 2S Slash. Sick landing, bro. Oh. Drop right there. Okay, well, you made it. Oh my God. This definitely has another gear to it. Oh my gosh. That mailbox was looking again.
Yep. I'm gonna take that one out too.
Yep. They jump out in front of you.
Yeah. Alex jumps out in front of you.
I'm actually pretty impressed with it, man. Did you take your head for that rock?
Yep. It's been fine.
Oh yeah, would have took it.
Yeah, it would have taken it like a champ. It's a flash. That's it.
She did.
Bye.